Pigeons have several natural and urban predators. Hawks, falcons, and eagles are major threats. These powerful raptors hunt pigeons in flight with deadly precision. Owls, especially active at night, can silently ambush roosting pigeons when they least expect it. In rural or forested areas, snakes slither into nests, preying on helpless eggs and chicks. It's a quiet, creeping danger. Cats, both feral and domestic, often stalk pigeons, driven by instinct. And then there are the rats, sneaky and opportunistic. They'll steal eggs or even kill the chicks if they get the chance. Pigeons have a few instinctive ways to protect their eggs and chicks from predators. 1. Nest placement. Pigeons usually build their nests in high, hidden, or hard-to-reach places like ledges, rooftops, or crevices to avoid predators. 2. Parental vigilance. Both male and female pigeons take turns guarding the nest. They stay alert and will defend their nest if threatened, sometimes puffing up and flapping their wings to scare off intruders. 3. Quick escape and distraction. If danger approaches, a pigeon might fly off suddenly to distract the predator and lure it away from the nest. 4. Camouflage and stillness. Their eggs and chicks often blend with the nesting materials, and chicks remain still to avoid detection. 5. Aggressive defense when needed. If absolutely necessary, pigeons can peck or flap at small predators like rats or crows to try and drive them away. They're not fierce fighters, but they do rely on caution, strategy, and teamwork to protect their young.